Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I decorated a calabash cake. Very easy. If today is your first time of watching my video, wow, you're welcome to my channel. You can join this lovely family by clicking on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, click on all notifications to be getting a lot of my new video. Subscription is free just for you to be getting a lot of our new videos. If I drop any new video, you will get an alert. This calabash cake is for traditional marriage cake. Very easy. So I baked this cake with a foreign ball pan. So if you don't have the foreign ball pan, please use 2 stainless plates and bake this cake. It will also come out fine. I'll be inserting a dowel rod to the cake to hold the 2 cakes together. Now I'm going to trim off the body a little before I chrome coat. Just scrape it off a little, just round like this, round the cake. Before you put your buttercream, you chrome coat the cake. Now I'm done setting the mouth. I'll add a skewer and use water to glue the mouth to the body. bring out this design and you paint with edible spirit and gold dust. Allow yours to dry before you start placing on your calabash. Mine wasn't dried enough because I don't have much time, so I started placing it. There was a lot of mix, but at last I needed to repaint again. Rub water. I used water to rub around my calabash before I start placing. So you can see the mess was a bit much, but after placing all, I have to paint it again for it to shine out. If you're new to my channel, this is the first time of watching my video, what are you waiting for? Just hit the subscribe button, hit on the notification bell, hit on all notifications to be getting a lot of my new videos. Subscription is free, just for you to be getting a lot of our new video. You can see our calabash is out right now. We'll have to repaint again for it to shine out. Don't forget to like my video. Feel free to comment and ask questions. Thanks a million for watching my video. Bye.